Want to know the secret to this delicious caramelized teriyaki sauce on these chicken thighs? Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. Let's get started. To make the teriyaki sauce, combine cornstarch and water in a saucepan, and then your soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, grated ginger, and garlic. Give it a quick whisk and then bring over low-medium heat until it simmers and thickens up. Then transfer to 2 bowls. One will be for serving and the other one will be for basting. Place your chicken thighs skin side up into the baking dish and then brush them with a thick coat of teriyaki sauce. Turn them upside down and then brush them with more sauce. Place them in your preheated oven and then baste them with more teriyaki sauce every 12 minutes, turning them around halfway through cooking. When done baking, place under the broil for some extra caramelized teriyaki sauce. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and sliced green onions, and serve the reserved teriyaki sauce to have over rice. Thanks for watching! Find the recipe link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.